Hello and welcome to Let's Look at Lifestyle. Today I'm going to chat a little about the healthy eating pillar. There's lots of advice out there about what we should and should not eat. There are also various specific diets advertised and written about. I'd like to talk about interesting evidence as to the types of diets that promote good health. About 20 years ago, scientists coined the term blue zones. The blue zones are 5 areas around the world where people live the longest and healthiest lives. The areas are Sardinia in Italy, Okinawa in Japan, Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, Ikaria in Greece, and Loma Linda in California. There were various factors that made the blue zone communities different. Diet was one of them. The others were having an active lifestyle, prioritising family and loved ones, and having a sense of meaning and purpose in life. Quite a few lifestyle medicine pillars involved there, but today we'll focus on diet. The diets eaten in the 5 blue zone areas vary, but they share important similarities. These are a high intake of whole plant food, 95 to 100% in fact, and a low intake of processed foods, meat and fish. Processed foods are foods that have been altered in some way from the natural state, which very often makes them less nutritious. A higher intake of processed foods makes us more likely to develop chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, obesity and type 2 diabetes, some cancers, Alzheimer's disease and depression. So, if we want to live longer and healthier lives, like the people in the blue zone communities, it is worth thinking about the types of foods we eat. If you would like to read more about the blue zones, I'll add a link for the history and commentary. Although the research in the blue zones is very interesting, it's not always easy to work out how we can make sense of all the dietary information and advice out there, to work out what sort of foods we can eat ourselves to help us live longer and healthier lives. So, next week, I'll talk some more about the healthy eating pillar and how we can put the evidence into practice in our own lives. See you then.